Good evening. Welcome to Nashoba Valley Ski Area. My name's Keith, and as you can see right now, it is snowing very heavily. We've got about a little over an inch on the ground right now, looking for about 10 to 12. Still currently getting our jibs and features ready for the season, but look for the Massacre Rail Jam coming in late November. We're going to have our own carpet surface lift this year that's going to be able to take you guys up to hit a couple of small features to get ready for the season. So enjoy the snow, stay safe, and try not to drive anywhere. Have fun.